Anyway, here's a look outside right now. Our temperatures are in the 80s. 82 degrees is your current temperature at Corpus Christi. Here's a view across the country. So we do have some severe weather in the plains, well to the north of Texas. And additionally, we are watching a dry line that's not going to make it anywhere near South Texas, a front well to our north. But it's this high pressure that's causing big issues across the Midwest, portions of the South, and up the eastern coast of the United States, and even into the Northeast and Washington, D.C. even. It's hotter in D.C. and New York and St. Louis and Detroit and Memphis and Atlanta and Charlotte than it is right now in Corpus Christi. But let's talk about tomorrow. So D.C., we're looking at 113 for your heat index value, an air temperature of 102 for July 3rd. We'll have heat index values all in the triple digits up that direction. We will be in the triple digits too, but as long as we're below 110, we're pretty good down here. That's about normal for us in South Texas. Now, as we look ahead to Saturday the 4th in Corpus Christi, we're looking at a temperature around 92 degrees, your heat index value around 104. This is going to be sluggish to update, but DC's heat index value on the 4th is still looking like it's going to be about 106. This is not the afternoon temperature. It's still thinking about it. But overall, what I want to point out is that we're not the hottest place for the 4th of July weekend, but we are still going to be hot. And so it is still important to practice some of that heat safety. Right now, we take a look at your Friday, where we're going to see mostly sunny skies in the afternoon. Now, there is still a chance for a pop-up shower storm. Some great news for fishermen in the area for the 4th is our winds are pretty light. So our water is going to get a little smoother. Hopefully the clarity improves a little bit through the weekend with those lighter winds sticking around. Now in the afternoon, we still could get some gusts around 20 miles per hour, creating a slight chop in our bays especially. But waves are looking about 1 foot tomorrow. So pretty flat conditions out in the Gulf. 89 your high at Port Aransas, 95 there in Alice. Heat index values topping out anywhere between 102. Port Aransas could still get up to 106 because you get lots of humidity this time of year. And then we're talking 106 to 107 there in the brush country. If you are headed out on the water, as I mentioned, a slight chop is possible. We are looking at high tide at the beach early in the morning. Packery Channel and North Beach will have low tide early in the morning with high tide coming up into the afternoon, so around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon. If you are headed to the beach, these are some recaps of the most important things to look out for. Waves are going to be around 2 feet or less, so pretty light conditions. Watch out for jellyfish. They may have moved out, but there still could be some in the area. Rip current risk is also something. Overall, a low to moderate rip current risk, but still know the risk before you get in the water, and always swim with a buddy. That's the safest way to go. Temperatures are going to remain hot. Here's why. High pressure over to the east, but it's going to shift off to the west as we look ahead to next week, and that's going to create drier air moving into Texas, keeping a lot of the rain more so into East Texas and Louisiana if we do see any rain. So there's that rain. We still have a chance for a pop-up shower through the weekend, but overall our rain chances are pretty slim. That high pressure, it's just switching which side it's on of us, and what that does is lower our rain chances into Wednesday and Thursday, but it does keep us rather warm. We're not escaping the high pressure anytime soon, but at least we're not in the center of the high pressure. Once you get closer to the center, that's when the heat can get a little bit out of control. So we're calling it